Oh, who got 100K? Wait, who got 100,000 subscribers right now? Excuse me? Are you talking to me? Do you know who I am? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe I'm actually saying this, but I can't stop smiling. Like literally, like my face is hurting right now. Yesterday I reached 100,000 subscribers. Bravo! 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 It took me actually some time to process, and I can't believe that I'm saying this, but the only thing that I can say honestly is that I'm so grateful for you guys. I've been putting so much effort into this channel. I know that I haven't been consistent, but the fact that you guys still took the time out of your day to watch even like 1 second of my video, none of this would have happened without you guys. So I'm sending you all my love. I love you so much, and I really hope that with everything happening today, I really hope that you guys are safe and try your best to stay clean, stay at home, stay safe. Since this whole quarantine thing happened, I've been looking homeless for the past few days, and I was like, okay, it's time for me to, you know, like just look cute for you guys and do a little hairstyle. So I'm just gonna do my regular high puff, and I just bought, like, I literally went to the beauty supply store yesterday, you know, all covered obviously, and I bought the Eco Styler gel, just trying to, like, you know, restock with like everything going on, because apparently like they're gonna shut down everything starting next week, and it's Sunday today, so it's really scary. And by the way, I know that you guys also like my video when I showed you my outfits, like the try on haul, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm wearing, but like do my hair first. My hair is actually damp. I already sprayed my hair and all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys are really doing good. It's like, I can't believe that we literally going through this, and I feel like the whole 2020 has been pretty messed up so far, you know, with the whole Kobe Bryant thing, and it's just been a whole mess, and we are only in March. Can you imagine that? I really hope that everything will get better. And what's crazy about this whole thing, when it happened, I was like, man, I'm gonna be home, like it's not gonna affect me that much. But honestly, I'm an introvert, but I don't like when I'm forced to be home. You know what I'm saying? And now I feel the need to like go out. The day before yesterday, I went home and it was like at 99.9 something. So by the time I wake up, like my friend, like they called me, and you know, I was at my friend's place, by the way, so you know, we kind of celebrated. I truly can't believe that I have like this huge amount of people like literally subscribe to my channel, like. But yeah, you guys mean the world to me, so I just wanted to let y'all know. So right now what I'm doing is pretty much just put the Eco Styler gel on my edges just so it can look smooth. And can y'all see this? It's like looking hella white, and if you see my previous video, I feel like it's still the leave-in conditioner that I haven't like totally like, you know, rinsed off. I didn't wash my hair since then, but then every time I wet it, it's like it would leave like some white stuff. Ugh. I'm probably gonna wash my hair again, like maybe tomorrow, because I don't have the energy today. And if you're wondering, yeah, I'm using one of my like shoelaces. I left my little pigtail on the sides as usual. I feel like it just adds a little cute thing in my good hair, you know. So what I'm gonna do, start pushing it up like this, like that. See? A natural facelift. And now when I feel like it's tight enough, don't make it too tight. I used to do that, and when I'm telling you, like my head would start hurting so much after 30 minutes or so. My little knots, and what I have right here is pretty much the bobby pin. So I'm just gonna use 2 bobby pins, one on each end, just to like secure the shoelace so nobody can see it. And like this, and then like that. actually started my channel, and I'll probably put a link on my very first video. It was January 22nd, 2016. When I watched that video, what I'm telling you, I cringed. But I love to go back to my old videos because I can see like the improvement, you know, like the way I film, the way I talk in front of the camera, the way I edit my videos, how much like it changed. I feel like it pushes me to do better and to keep improving. It's sort of like little motivational thing to do for yourself. Sometimes, you know, when I don't feel like filming or I feel too lazy or something and I'm kind of down, it's like I would literally watch my videos and just like criticize my work and then just try to do better in general, you know. And I didn't put that in private because I just want people to see, like, you know, how far I've come. Now that I applied the gel on here, what I'm gonna do is just use my rat-tail comb and then start doing my edges. Bam. Can you see how I like this thing? But anyways, I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow because this leave-in conditioner did me dirty, and it's like when it dries, it's not as white, but then you can see my hair flaking. It looks like somebody poured sand on my hair, so I'm definitely gonna wash my hair tomorrow. This is my little puff. I do this every time I feel like my hair is getting old, usually on the second week after my wash and go. And I feel like the curls was still there, but it just looks like my hair is dirty, and I hate that. But anyways, this is the look. This is the look. It literally takes me, what? Without talking, I would say like 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you my outfit. I literally got dressed just for me to sit in my living room. I just want to say that I can literally feel the love every single time I talk to you guys or you guys leave a comment. And so many of you guys are so sweet, and I truly appreciate it. I love the fact that on my channel, like, most of the comments are like, most people are like very positive. I love that about you guys. I hope that I can still inspire you, and this just proves that whenever you set your mind to, like, just work for it. Sometimes you will face challenges, but this is just part of like the whole process. Also, follow me first on my Instagram again, and with this whole coronavirus going on, you know, everybody's bored. So if you guys want to talk about something, if you want us to chit chat, you know, don't hesitate, DM me, and I'll be more than happy to help you or, you know, get to know you better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys later.